By Kukhana. I think the issues of water quality and chemicals in the environment is well understood. So what I thought I would do is probably bring to your notice a couple of issues which are emerging now on the global scale, which are linked to both food and water security. I'm not going to talk about some of the well-acknowledged issues which have been covered already in the morning by such as Dr. Adam Andrew. So, this next one. I think the linkages are well appreciated with respect to urban, peri-urban, but progressively there is going to be a greater emphasis on this wastewater for drinking water purposes, and that's where the issues of some of the unknown and previously unappreciated concerns are coming to the fore, such as the management recharge of the treated effluents in countries, and in India particularly the treatment is fairly rudimentary in many places, so that becomes a major issue. We know that sludge as a resource, wastewater as a resource, and some of the issues which have historically been acknowledged very well are things like heavy metals, which are industrial sources, but now we are getting into the area where the household chemicals, where each one of us every day in our activities are now contributing to the problem of contaminants and wastewater, which are becoming of concern. I'm talking about the organic contaminants, things like biocides, things like pharmaceuticals, things like flame retardants, which are present in our products, in our carpets, curtains, sofas, in your computers, in your electric gears. Wherever there is a possibility of inflammation, you have % level of flame retardants, which are becoming a part of the environment. And the issues such as endocrine disruption, which is coming on the global front, you have such covers of the magazine, like the Time magazine, where they are asking question, why there is early puberty set up in girls, why there is a sperm quality decline internationally, is there something in water, is there something in food? So those sorts of issues are becoming important. And particularly the pharmaceutical is probably the greatest catastrophe related to organic contaminants, even worse than DDT, has been the decline of vulture population in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nepal. And here we are talking about 99% reduction in the species of particularly the white-humped Gyps bengalensis. And on that map you could see that's related to an exposure to a pharmaceutical compound, although in a veterinary sort of use, but it highlights the importance of these chemicals which are designed for a certain biological activity. Next one, please. And so two groups of compounds which we use in our daily use, and because our lifestyle have changed quite a lot. One is a biocide example of triclosan. This is a compound which we add to the soaps and detergents and shampoos and any liquid formulation, including your toothpaste. If you look at your Colgate toothpaste, some of the brands you will probably find 0.3% triclosan. It's a chlorinated compound. It's fairly persistent. All those products which are shown there contains that biocide, because you really